Morning campers. Hello budget campers, and hello to the followers of Highway 31, Aussie Truckie on Highway 31. We're up not quite on the Queensland border at Hebel, and this is Kermit, the old, I think we've got it down to an AB 170, 1963, 64 sort of model. If you do know for sure, let me know. Straight six, unfortunately no Perkins in it, but yeah, hopefully we can get out and have a drive. But we're back at Mackay finally for our yearly trip. The sun's about to come up. It's about 12-13 degrees, so we've left the freezing cold behind, but we have to go back there one more time to start this video because I'm towing the caravan on this trip and we need to go and weigh her and make sure we're not overweight. So I'll leave you with this while I tend to Kermit, and yeah, we'll get this adventure underway. Here we are at the local weighbridge, analog weighbridge, not digital. Got weight off the drawbar on the tow tongue of the van there, just so we know. We're a manual scale, which it works. I've weighed the patrol before one of the last BI trips, and it was pretty close, pretty accurate. It does have a bit of ballast and stuff from the rail yard here on it, so you just got to make sure you zero it out before you get on, but it works pretty well. We are sitting at, we're right on about 1100 kilos, so we're a good 100 kilos under the total weight of the van, and yeah, hopefully Colorado has no trouble towing that. I know from Facebook groups there's blokes that tow 2.5, 3 tons behind and reckon they're a great tow vehicle, so this trip's gonna prove that one way or another. Hello, back in Mei. Not going to be a big trip like previously. I think we're going to go down the hole once, but it won't be to dig. We're just up here doing a bit of maintenance, so getting a bit of stuff in the shack done. Getting one of the holes, new cover on the emergency hole, just so it's easy to get out if something happens to the winch and the hoist. So been doing some earthworks on that by hand with the shovel. But yeah, there's a one other bloke at the claim over there running at the moment. You probably can't hear it, but the blower's going. He's got an LNT 8000 or LN Louisville 8000 truck with a 903 in it, carting his fill away with a blower set up with a I think he said it was a Hino 6-cylinder straight 6 Hino, flat out revving at 4.5 grand. So I'll put a photo of that up in the top corner here. But we're going to get Kermit the AB 170, I think it is 62, 63 model tipper. We'll get it out and have a bit of a drive later. But, of course, main hole there in the winch. As I said, it's not going to be a big video, this one. Go back, have a look at the past videos I did of Mei. There's 2 from 2022 and there's one from last year as well that I've done that you can look at, and that'll show you all the underground mining. But we're going to go specking now. There's Kermit over in its little shed. But we'll get that out later and have a drive and have a bit of a look around as well. At the end of last year's trip, the old man got the drilling rig out here and put a 9-inch hole down here. That one there, another one on that corner of the claim over there, and then one in front of the hut as well, just as test holes. That one found water, which we're thinking maybe the shower's seeping across the seam into it. But no, that's wallaby poo. That's Mr. Wallaby poo. We're looking for here in the sun. Look for just little fragments of opal.
Gotta find a big rock for the next hole that we haven't done yet. Can you shut that? Should be that one.
And you need to have the sun. Need to have the sun out so you can see the reflections.
Stop videoing. Yeah.
We should have grabbed that piece from the hut just so we can have an example.
No, don't.
But we'll keep on looking.
Can I eat them? No, don't, because I don't know.
Keep on looking anyway.
Roxy, get out of the prickles.
Look right here. Found a small fortune. That'd be a 5-cent piece. Look how black it's gone because of the sun. You can't even see the date on the bar, yeah? 2009. So not even an old one. Anyway, we'll keep looking. There's 2 pieces of opal here. See if you can see them. A bit hard without the sun being out. I'll grab our wand, but there's one there and another one there. Now, yes, I have put these here, but I did find them just next to us.
What's in it?
So that one there, you can see the purples. Again, we need the sun to come out. I might show you again, but it's got a bit of purple and green in it. This little sliver here.
No, well, will it hold it? I don't think it'll hold it. No, don't.
Same thing, you can see a little bit of green there. Now those 2 bits, that's not worth anything. That's just good for kids to take to school. Look, that's what we're finding. Show your friends, whatever else. It's not worth anything. No one's going to steal it out of your pocket. But yeah, wait for the sun to come back out, and Yeah. Show you them a bit closer.
Yeah.
So here we got some
This is the bag from my bag. Why didn't you get mine?
bit of potch here. There's not much colour in it
Because I didn't want the one in my bag.
at all.
What?
But there is a piece here.
I told you to go get my bag.
Again, here somewhere.
Well, I didn't. I got my bag.
I just found.
We'll take this to ship back. That's what he asked for.
So a little bit of green
He asked for a bag with nothing in it.
Oh, I thought he asked for a bag.
on that tip there. Again, not worth bugger all, but it's probably too blurry. So a little bit of green on the end there. I'll try and grab. So I'll grab this bit out in the sun again.
Yeah, I won't.
So again there you can see a little bit of purple on the outside of it. And this one here. Come on, play the game. You can see the green. A little sliver of green in there.
Here's your bag.
Good, the bag, put this in. So I've just been looking over near Kermit and found this bit here. Spin around with the sun. Nice chunk there. Bit of purple in it. So it goes all the way through. So you're looking about 20-cent piece there. Maybe a little bit smaller. If you pop that off, stir the rock underneath it, sand it back, you might be lucky to get a thin piece. But you can see there's a bit of stone going through the middle of it, so it'll probably just fracture into little pieces. But that's more valuable like that. You can show people. That's what it looks like up in the roof or on the opal seam where you're mining, and that's the colour you're looking for underground. Nice. So we're next door to the our claim, and when we got up here we noticed this. Last time we were up here this van was intact. This is on one of the neighbouring claims. It was around the other side. They've moved it around to here, but she fucked. You can see, you won't be able to tell, but you can see the white ants. The white ants in there have completely gutted it, even along the side, the back, behind the wheels there. Just rot. And even in there, you'll see on that door frame in that cupboard. And then we've had some wind or had some rain, a bit of that weight on the roof, and she's yeah, pretty much exploded. And then you've got the problem up here. So that that's got to be cleaned up now and carted away. But it doesn't look like there's been much activity there since last year when we were up here. But yeah, anyway, a bit of wind damage. I think the first year up here in 2022, friends of the family got that one over the fence there, and we had to go over and help him get in there because it was that wet. But the toilet shed, the outhouse, wind, there must have been a windstorm or a mini tornado go through there, because his caravans, they'd been jacked up and put on blocks. They'd been pushed off the blocks and were sitting on the ground, and the outhouse was about 30 metres away, flat amongst the grass, where the wind had picked it up and carried it away. That generator going now. There's another claim over on the way in. It's they're down there working at the moment. So, but apart from that, there's not much activity. That that Louisville just went over. They've got a wash plant over here where they go over and wash it out each time. So yeah. Anyway, may I? I had fridges and everything running off the van for 2 weeks before we went away without any problems. As soon as you go away, you have problems. Which normally, coming up here to Maai, your biggest problem is there's 1 or 2 days of rain and heavy overcast cloud and you get no solar whatsoever. It happened last year for about 3 days and I ended up having to put a battery charger on my battery box in the Colorado and plug in the old man's generator, so every time we were down the hole, the generator was powering or recharging the battery. This van, 300 amp hour King's lithium battery, which I've never had an issue with. Actually paid some money and got a decent solar controller and a Victron Energy battery management system on it as well. As I said, I had the 2 fridges running before, one of them running freezer, or half freezer, half fridge, and then the new upright fridge I got for the van. Also, just put a diesel heater in it for the King's birthday long weekend, which had just come and gone, and had the fridge running off it, no freezer, just 1 fridge, and the diesel heater running, and everything was fine. Still, battery was sitting at 98%, still sitting at 13 volts, all good. Get to me, I have a day of solar, or day of no solar, 2 fridges running off it. It got down to 70% or 75% during the day, or about 12.8 volts. Didn't think much of it, because it's been nice and warm up here. I think the coldest it's got down to is 8 degrees, but we're getting a bit of condensation after the rain on the windows. So I thought, go to bed, I'll leave the diesel heater going and turn it off before I fall asleep. Fell asleep, which normally isn't a big problem. Diesel heaters, they ramp up to about 6 amps on startup because the glow plug's running, but after that it's just the fan pushing hot air, so they don't normally pull too much power over the course of a night. Woke up in the morning, everything's dead. Not even getting power registry from the battery, nothing. So got a pair of jump leads, got the battery for Kermit out there to jump the battery. It's jumped and come back on at 11.5 volts, saying 11.3, but yesterday when I done it was 11.5 volts. And then we had a full day of solar, and even though there was 5 amps going into it, it just would not go up higher than 11.5 volts. And for some reason the Victron system was saying it was at 100% as soon as I jumped it back to life, which I don't know why. So even now it's saying 99.8%, but it's only 11.3, which isn't right. So I don't know if it's registered the battery I jumped from as only having 11.3 volts, so it's saying, right, that's a base mark for 11% or not, or if there's something else going on there. So I don't know what is happening, because night before, same thing. Both fridges running off, no diesel heater this time. Woke up in the morning completely dead, no power, not even enough power to run the volt gauge or LED lights. So today I've had yesterday afternoon I've had 3 solar mats charging into the battery, as well as what's on top, which was another 5-6 amps during the day. Nice sunny day. We got it up to 12.8 over last night. Same thing, both fridges running, and this morning I've had to jump the battery again. It was completely dead. So I don't know if it's just the BMS in the lithium battery. It needs to be reset, or a good charge. I don't have a lithium battery charger. As I said, 900 watts of solar on the roof through this solar controller. I've had no problems. It's always stayed up above the 95%. Putting in 5, 6, sometimes when it's getting direct sun on top, 10 amps of power. So I don't know. I've got to get home. There's a power point down here. I've left the space there for a dedicated battery charger. So if you are towing it, you can pull over at night and plug it into a powered site or whatever. just to top it up. But I think that's the problem now, because I've only had solar going into it. It just needs a good recharge. I'm hoping if anyone out there is good with lithium power, lithium batteries and all that sort of stuff behind it, because this is the first time I've ever gone lithium, let me know in the comments. I know there's some pretty cluey blokes out there that will know exactly what it's doing, but there's always something. And when you've got a week's worth of frozen stuff, meat, that sort of thing, and then all your other food in the fridge, it's one of the things you don't want to go wrong while you're on your trip, because you run out of clothes, flat tire, whatever. At least you can still get a beer out of the fridge, a cold beer out of the fridge. So yeah, need to get on top of this. There aren't even any cup holders. Big bench seat, a little bit of play in the steering wheel. Old mechanical handbrake. She must have a 2-speed diff in it. I did not know that. So this is a bit of a another bit of a collab, same as the Kite and Mack Master. Don't know how much filming I'm going to be able to get done up here. It's just a maintenance trip to get some stuff done. We might get down the hole for a quick look, but we aren't actually digging for opal on this trip. If you want to see all that, there's plenty of videos back on the Budget Adventure Show channel for digging opal out of the ground. But yeah, she's I don't know if you can see this. A lot of these old trucks, and I'll go around and have a bit of a look at some of them. They've been driven here, most of them from far and wide. That there's a Louisville over there for 903 you're going to see. That's come all the way from South Australia. It's probably the newest truck that's here. A lot of these Bedfords, Dodgers, Internationals. There's a Ford 7000 cab over there. 1624 Benz. They've all driven here, and I'll show you some tyres in a minute. But before we get to that, have a look at the cancer. You'd think being out in the desert, it'd be safe from cancer, but you can definitely see air down through the floor there. And if we back out the truck, there's the old handbrake. Done. Only 800,000, 80,000. Yeah, the step is wide on. And hoist. Tyres that are so old and perished, they're pretty much solids. And we don't even want to look up at the bowl. The base of the tipper. She's fairly holy as well. But anyway, we're coffee back out from the cup holder. So yeah, old Kermit. Kermit the Frog here. We're just going to go over to one of the main points here where all the tow dirt and that gets carted to. It's pretty much all the rubbish, but sometimes you can find little specks of opal in it. So I've only been finding a bit of potch. No colour in it. I'll keep on looking. Needle in a very big haystack. So basically this is all toe dirt and unused or rock and stuff that hasn't got, isn't at the Opal level. With a couple of big heaps like this out here that sort of like a common dumping point, but yeah, it's this white crap. It doesn't like getting wet, and it gets very boggy when it rains. But as you've seen coming over, all the pretty much wherever there's been a hole put down, there's white limestone, white sandstone from underground. And I'll put a little image up in the corner here somewhere of just how scarred the landscape is. You can see it from space or Google satellites when you zoom in. So I'm going to get back down on my hands and knees and keep on looking, and we'll see if we find anything else. Oh well, little fragments, little specks of opal. But, that's it. Back sore from being bent over, inches off the ground. Yeah, what have you got in there? Oh, your young eyes. Young eyes are a lot better. But anyway.
See any loose shit in the wall? That don't go digging on the wall.
No. Everyone empty your pockets out.
Stand back when you go down.
Down we go. Down the hole.
Did we go yet?
You might have to get the hoist skilly, the bucket, and put it over on the last ladder for the kids or Tash to get down to the ground, alright?
Yeah.
Do we go now?
You start going down. Just take your time. Remember, there's going to be a little bit of ladder wobble.
Well, be quiet. Don't tell me that.
The ladder's not wobbling. Fixed it all. That's what we're supposed to do too. Down the ladder. All 62 feet of it. 60 feet to go, Carly.
Yay.
That was really far.
You're right. You don't have to go if you don't want to, but it's good to go.
Oh yeah, no,
And you've got to do that coming out. Like I said, when you get tired, you just leave that in the roll. Yeah, but she's only got little legs. Who's next? Have you made it down, Gilly? No, I'm 4 metres off. Right.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
Just concentrate, Kaylee, and hang on.
I think it was grass in my hands. I was like for a second.
And he has fixed it because there's no ladder wobble. Oh. It's a nice chunk missing out there. Right, Dylan, you can start off.
Just don't look down.
If it falls off, Dylan, yell out. Right, you've only got one more run, Kaylee.
Yep.
Right, let's start. Woo, stop. Ready? Down, down. That's it.
There's a lotus on the bloody thing.
Right, now just stay and wait there until we can have a look.
Where's my head torch? In my pocket. Whoa, what the hell is that? Oh, it's a grasshopper.
Just don't start jumping it.
Let's get the, oh my god, I have to duck so much in here.
Oh, keep coming, dude. You're nearly there.
Yep. 1000 you got it.
What do you reckon? Back down the hole again. 1 year on, almost to the same week too.
Yeah, we're a week off. I can stand properly here.
That's it, keep going.
I'm coming. It wasn't getting wobbly though.
Oh, you should have felt it last few times.
Yeah.
It had pulled away from the wall down here, so it was really...
Oh. Is that something? Yep.
Yep, keep coming. You got about 3 meters to go.
God, you wouldn't want to do this a couple of times, would you?
Yeah, good exercise.
Yeah.
Oh, I can look there. See what they've done.
Dylan, don't go down there, please. We can have a look.
Sorry.
Oh, look at that
Come
fire.
That's it, nearly there. 5 runs to go.
Okay. Really good. Yeah. Okay.
That's the easy bit.
Oh, I can see the shoes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so I can stand up me.
Oh, you can stand up, I can't.
Lucky.
I've got like a metre above my head. I can just walk around.
I can open in this wall up here.
Just looking for cracks. Yeah, so that mainstay is falling out there.
Open this wall. Oh, wrong one. This one. Oh, I can see what they've done. Oh.
Oh, you weren't up here last time, Dylan.
No, I wasn't up here last time. We've got it.
So you remember, we were going that way.
Yeah, and there was like nothing.
Yeah, and then when we have Greg last year, we're going that way.
I stand up like properly. Like stand up properly.
I can stand up properly.
Yeah, that's alright.
So that's the drive. That's the drive we're going down when Dylan was here. It was only about.
Let's just.
Yeah, get out of it.
I'm just looking at it. See if there is any still here. Mum, it'd be up. It's like up here.
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking.
I'm glad you can all stand up without hunching over.
Yeah, no, I can't.
So we'll go down here.
Come this way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, Mum, this thing's amazing.
Oh, look at all the spider webs hanging down.
Come here.
Yeah, I remember seeing this part in the video.
Yeah.
Oh, the rest of my tightener fell off. That's my bedroom. That's where the wall is.
Don't touch the props.
Yes.
Yeah, that's loose as.
Don't touch it then.
See that nice big crack
Yeah, you can stand up.
up through there, but see, same
Look
here.
at this. Just fell off my hat.
This would have been left. This would have been left for a prop, but they found opal on that layer, so they've kept on digging in. You can see it sparkling in there.
I know, but you
A
want
big chunk there.
You can't get it out because it's
No, it's holding the roof up.
Yeah, I know. It's some digging.
And that's what happens. They take it out
Yep.
and
Oh, this is.
take it out, and then you have to prop it, or they just keep on going. That's when you get cave in.
There's no problem. You want your open the wall, but you can't grab it out. Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a hole up here.
Yeah, that's that air hole behind the shed.
Ah.
Where, oh, careful, where did this bit go?
Oh, that guinea rat's still there.
No, it's
Where?
not.
Yeah, it is. Look at it, right there.
Where?
There.
Oh no, there's actually a dead thing in there.
Oh,
Just,
that's what you were talking about.
yeah. Hey,
Is that the emergency hole?
air hole.
The emergency exit?
No, we'll go back to that in a minute.
Let's have a bloody pigeon.
Yeah,
What's
leave
that?
it.
What's that?
Just-
How did this get down there?
Just keep an eye down, making sure there's no snakes in here.
That pigeon looking thing. That we blocked in there. Emergency hole's that way.
Oh, okay.
See there, same thing where they've gone in, they've taken too much out of there and kept on going in their little pocket, leaving this
Does that
hole.
lead into there or?
Oh, it's just all endless.
Oh, okay.
That's
So
a new
who-
one. That
who
one
did all
probably leads.
this? So Poppyville didn't do all
No,
this?
no, this is all previous.
Wait a minute.
So who did you buy this off? Did you buy it off through in that?
No, it was next door.
Oh, okay.
So the same there, so the mudstone in the roof.
See any sparkles?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Again,
Yeah.
that would be, that's the opal layer.
Right here. I'm showing Dylan the opal stuff.
Mhm.
I'm going back this way. Lots of ballroom.
Just don't touch the poles.
Oh, I don't think it's this way. I don't think it's this way. No, it's back that one there. That goes across. Yeah, so that water's all dried up now.
Oh yeah, I remember you showing me pictures of water.
But yeah,
It's kind of really quiet down here, isn't it?
you see that big chunks that have fallen off. That had fallen down last time where you, but see where it's all cracked away. Big crack going up, and you can see the shadow on the wall where the rock's coming away from it.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, yeah.
It's all ready to fall down. So again, just greedy going in. And that, so there's no water in there, so that's good. That goes across, that's that hole where the other, on the top side of the shed, where that other hoist is.
Oh, okay.
But see here, they've done the same thing.
Pulled too much of the
They've
roof
gone all
away.
the way through,
Careful, slow down.
which is why this support's
There
here.
you go. This is the alien egg sacs that I was talking about.
Yeah, this all had water in it last time where you did,
Yeah, it did.
Dylan, the fuzz.
but it's all dried up now.
The fuzz.
Ah,
Yeah.
it's bold.
So, alright, we'll go to the escape hole.
Probably it would be easy to try and even just make the ground level.
Mhm.
Anyway.
Well, here's alright, I can stand up here. Oh,
Like digging it
that's
out
so
enough
much better.
some bits are high, some bits are low. So if you try and even just smooth it out.
Yeah. So the bloke that owned it before, the old man,
It's short.
yeah, he's only 5 foot tall,
Oh.
so he didn't need to.
Yeah. It's easy to make it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I can stand up in here.
Until you get to there, yeah, until you get to there and realise.
I keep forgetting that.
Oh, well, why is the emergency hole that
Look
way?
out, let me past.
Okay, look at that go first.
I know, I'm trying to get out of the way.
Yeah, I know, so I'm just going to run ahead.
That way.
Dylan, I'm standing here with, isn't it that way?
No,
This way. I said it's not that way.
You work it out. Alright, forward then.
Come on.
Look at me.
back the other way.
Right now.
What happened?
That's a dead end.
Oh,
Yeah, more.
I told you it was that way.
Dad, I want you to go first.
No, there's one of these, we're not going into that one because it's cracked all the way around the top.
Oh.
See how it's cracked all the way along
Yeah, the
there?
staircase is up there.
But see if you come to here, same thing. They've left that pillar in the middle
Yeah.
for load bearing, and they've obviously found opal in the top of it and started going back until they've lost it again.
Yeah.
Dylan,
Yeah, that's right. I do. We're coming. Just looking.
Alright, back.
Up the staircase, move your ass. I'm going upstairs.
So your mum actually ever been down here?
I don't think so. Oh,
It's very, very low in here.
this is a low roof.
This is a 2-foot roof.
Yeah, because my leg's long and all. Hello.
Can you seriously not get up that?
I don't know if I can.
Come on, Hobbit, up you come.
I'm coming. Oh, my head.
You gotta use all fours, you gotta put the hubs in.
Yeah, well, it's kind of hard to sort of duck and climb at the same time.
Mum, be like a kitty cat.
Next door. What did I tell you that?
Duck and cover.
Let's go this way.
Dylan, come out there, please.
Dylan, you don't.
See the roof there, how it's cracked?
Kinda.
It's
Same
right there,
thing.
Dylan.
But that's your rescue hole
Yeah,
there.
I know.
Oh yeah, so
Don't
that's
climb
the
it.
one that's put the cage around.
Yeah.
That's one Bill had to climb up.
Yeah. Can't see above your head, that's a problem.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you keep banging it.
Are you guys coming down?
Yes,
Yeah.
we're coming down now.
Okay, hold on to the side.
Yeah, it's on the door.
You
Turn
go
around and go
backwards,
backwards.
You go really squat.
And just start stepping backwards.
Yep. This one's a bigger step, so you gotta move back a bit. Yep. Look, this one's a bigger step.
Again, he was only 5 foot tall, so I only dug a hole big enough for himself to get up and down.
Yes.
We'll go right behind you, so
Look.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, what's that there? Oh, that's the ladder thing, sorry. I didn't know what that was. I thought the ladder went down to the ground and what.
Mum, I found some Opal.
So I don't remember.
Right here.
Oh, it's just
Shiny in the wall.
Driver's backfield.
Is it?
Yeah, right there.
Well, move so I can see. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't see because you're.
Oh, yeah.
I can see now.
Get
From
out
that
of
angle,
it,
you can't see it.
get out of it, you ratters.
No, well,
Yeah, just looking.
Just looking.
Yeah, see the big crack going along there? Goes all the way along the roof to the middle.
Mm.
If you squat
We
down,
can
look
have some
up.
Dinner up here. We can have dinner down here.
Oh, there's a snake skeleton and a dead rat.
Yep, still there.
Oh my
it's
god,
still
it's
there.
missing.
Yeah.
And there's a snake skeleton there.
That's why you got to look around when you're down here.
Yeah.
It's his skeleton before he was fresh.
Nothing's going to be able to see.
It's been another year.
Oh, it's all his bones, all his flesh is gone.
Yeah, it's just his skin. Yeah, do you like it down here, Mother? Why not?
And like I said, there's no wind and there's no sun and there's no flies.
Yeah.
That works better.
Oh, careful. Take your time, Jill. Make sure your feeding is right before you step.
One run at a time.
Yep, go on, run, get started. Oh.
Yeah. If he doesn't take it one run at a time, it could be fatal. And he's going to find out that being fatal isn't happy.
Oh, shit. Did you get the little grasshopper? I think he wants to come out.
You got to leave something for the lizards if they fall down here. You rescued a bearded dragon out of here last year.
Mm-hmm.
Left foot, right foot. Oh. There we go. So as I said earlier, we're not doing any digging this trip. It's just been maintenance. Get the access hatch on the safety on the secondary hole done. The possibility we might get up here in September, but we're going to see what's going to happen because I
You decide saying halfway.
What about a wrong way go back?
Yeah, well,
September's going to be Cape York, I think. So I'm going to see what's going to happen. What's going to happen with that? But
Don't follow me.
anyway, now comes the fun part: climbing out.
Down
Although we did see a nice little system over on the. Good on you, Bill. On the
I'm getting there.
on the one of the other holes over there where that blower's working, they had a roll bar off a ute welded to a platform steel frame around the hole, and then 90mm storm pipe in sections behind the ladder with a pulley system on the roll bar, a 40 kilo weight in that storm pipe, cable through to pulley onto your harness, so even 40 kilos off your weight would have been would be nice to just help you climb a bit more.
Yeah.
Something to think about for next time. It'd be a lot simpler, a lot easier idea than a elevator winch system because it needs to be braked and everything else. But I think that's me. Time to climb. Yeah, love it, love it. Oh. Empty your pockets.
I got that packet.
That's why you go down there.
Yeah, you do.
But then when something happens here, there's no one up here in the end.
Yeah.
I think we should just go down this one and up the other one.
Then turn that off, that goes
15 feet shorter.
Yep.
and you've got to go across there, to walk that other ladder and come back around.
Oh, yeah, yep.
And that's not the problem out.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, arm pump.
Dave. Sorry. Just Roxy won't go there.
Oh. Hello, puppies.
Where are you going?
Stay there, Dawn.
Hit you on the feet.
Hop out
Hop out, dude. You're going to be in the way.
without walking over the hole.
Yeah, too close.
Now you can walk over the hole.
Or not, close the...
Oh, it is a bit of work. It's going down seems so much easier.
So here we are in Forbes. One last thing to do before we head all the way home. But Forbes truck sales. The old superliner there on the roof. That's been there. We used to come up to the Gold Coast back in the 90s, and yeah, the highlight of the trip was spotting that black superliner. Old Mac anyway, on the pedestal. It's been up there since the 90s. It's probably been there a lot longer, but yeah, bit of gear in there. But anyway, that's about it for this trip. Pretty boring, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna keep on heading for home. So we'll see the budget folk camping on the next trip, and for the highway fellas, we'll see you on the highway. But let's go.